swallow my lemonade.
And what's in the backpack?
Nothing. It's empty.
Why are you bringing an empty backpack?
Well, you never know what'll happen at a fair. One day I brought home a pet pig.
What should we do first?
Let's see. There's a craft table over there. I see face painting. Wow! Look at that bear!
We'll be here all weekend.
Let's go! There he is! Dr. Percival Higginbotham. I named him on walkover.
Step right up to Mr. Quint's Duck Game.
Wow!
Well, hello there.
Hi, Mr. Quint. Wow. How do we play it?
Well, you knocked down all 7 ducks, and the bear is yours.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Have fun.
George, get ready to count.
Counting the successful tosses was easy for George because Allie didn't have any.
I'm just getting warmed up. Let me try that again. Oh, how can this be so hard? Oh, well, I guess I better give someone else a chance.
Now, you can come back later, you know. We'll be here all weekend.
How could something that looks so easy be so hard?
George knew why Allie didn't knock down the ducks. She needed practice. First, George would build a practice game for Allie. He just needed some ducks, but he only had one rubber duck. Where could he get 7 ducks that looked alike?
All right, but I'm telling you, if I throw this, there's no way I'm gonna knock down the cardboard. Duck! Ah! Hey! Did I do that? Maybe I should quit while I'm ahead. Okay.